Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. So in today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can get your makeup done in 10 minutes. Yes guys, in 10 minutes. If you want to see that, please keep watching. Yes, you can actually get your makeup done in 10 minutes. Seriously, I've done it several times for me to be able to put up this video for you guys to watch. So I normally start with my brows most of the time, and before I even go into this video, I would like to tell you that there is no right or wrong way of applying makeup. Seriously, provided you know what you're doing, you're going to achieve the same result at the end of the makeup. That is it. So normally when you see me on the street wearing makeup, my brows is going to look the way it's looking right now. Yes, that is how I like my brows. So if you like a particular shape on how you like your brow to look like, you can just make it to that shape. But this is what I actually like. That's why I'm wearing it like this. So to make it easier for you to blend, make sure your brush or whatever you're using to blend it is wet. Just make sure that you actually spray the setting spray on whatever you're using, the brush, the foam, whatever you're using to blend. Just make sure it's wet. It makes it a lot easier for you to blend. So I'll be using the Fenty Beauty concealer. For a period of time now, I've not been using foundation on my face because I find out that using foundation actually mess my face up when I'm not wearing makeup. So I try as much as possible to apply my makeup without foundation, and it really helps a lot. If you are someone that like have acne on your face, that easily have acne, please stay away from foundation for some time and you will see the difference. So when you're blending in, I will actually advise that you spray your setting spray on either the brush or the beauty blender you're using. Whatever you're using to blend in your makeup, make sure it's a little bit dampy. It makes it easier for you to blend your makeup. So the concealer I'm using to highlight is the Naked concealer. I prefer highlighting my upper nose instead of highlighting all the way downward. I think highlighting just the upper part of it makes it look more natural and is not dramatic as well. Alright, just for the sake of this video, I would like to let you guys know that I'm not using any special filter to make this video, because a lot of makeup tutorial they always use filter to make the video, so I don't use any of that. So before putting in your setting powder under your eyes, make sure you use your beauty blender to just blend through under the eyes before applying it. Because if you don't do that, you start having crease, like fold underneath your eyes. When you notice when you're done making up and you have those fold, those lines underneath your eyes, that's what causes it. So just make sure you blend through it before applying the setting powder. And so I'm just setting up my eyes to apply my eyeshadow, and the eyeshadow palette I'm using is from Morphe. It's very nice. So when applying my eyeshadow, I prefer applying a nude color at the base before applying any other color. Also on this tutorial, I'm trying to use colors that are not too bright so it looks as natural as possible. And also after applying your eyeshadow, make sure you blend the up part of it so you don't have to find those thick lines. Just as I'm doing right now, blend the up part of the eyeshadow very well, and so it blends in properly. So I'll be using the Rimmel London bronzer to top it up, just to make sure the makeup is properly defined. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, I don't wanna jinx it. So when you're done applying your makeup, don't forget to use your pressing powder all over your face, just like I'm doing right now, just to make sure you have uniform look. You rub it through your neck as well, so you don't look like you're wearing a mask. And this mascara, I love it so much because I don't actually have lash. So when I use it properly, you will see it looks like my lashes actually increase when I'm not wearing my false lash. But I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. I've noticed that some ladies don't actually know how to wear their false lashes. And if you would like to see me apply my false lashes in 2 minutes, drop a comment in the comment section below. I'm going to upload one for you guys. So I did all this in 10 minutes, guys. In 10 minutes, yeah. So don't forget to use your setting spray when you're done with your makeup. It's very, very important. It sets the makeup together and it makes it last longer as well. So after applying my 10-minute makeup, this is how I'm looking. Looking like a butter. Beautifully, gorgeously look. Look at me now. So if you've been able to find your way to the end of this video and you've not subscribed to my channel, please support me by hitting on the subscribe button. Thank you so much and have a nice day.